Hey, where are you taking me?
It's an old spot I know. I want to check it out on the way back, see if there's any fish surfacing.
That's a good idea. I want to see some fish surfacing. Is this dirt road here?
Single lane, but it's two ways. We got to watch out.
I'll be looking with my left eye.
Alright. Been down this road for a couple of years.
Oh, I remember that.
You too, I remember. Gotta watch out for them. Where do we get to there?
Where do we get to the lake, Dave?
Some cliffs and everything back here. Alright. There we go.
You almost there yet, Dave?
Next turn, I think. I don't want after this.
One after this, okay.
Yeah, it's coming right down here. Yeah. Got these. Yeah, here it is.
Turn right here, Dave. Oh. Turn signal, Dave.
Yeah, I want everybody to see my turn signal. Whoa, look at that sunset. Jim, you look really good with that.
By my eye, Dave. Oh.
I bet somebody fished it here today. They might still be here.
Been a while since I've been here, Dave.
Yep. Ain't nobody here.
Over here, Dave. That's the way I like it.
I'm gonna walk up to the shoreline. We'll park right there.
Park right where the is. Put the brake on. Just in case. Oh.
Alright, that's it. I got it. A turkey is at the dock. There's a turkey at the dock. Jim,
I see it, Dave. There's a turkey at the dock.
this is my first time here in a couple of years, and there's a there's a turkey. There's a turkey at the dock. Let me get out. Hold on, Jim, stay here.
I got it, Dave.
Just walked over there. I literally have not been here in. I wanted to see if there was any rises. It walked over in here. It's a dang turkey. Well, it's hiding. Oh, there's a great blue heron there, but that's not what we saw. We saw a turkey. Oh, I hear it walking around. Over there. I heard it. Anyway, you saw it. Turkey at the boat launch. Well, here we are. It's been a couple of years since I've been here. Oh, the sun just went down there. Very nice. Probably would have did better today, even with the wind, because this doesn't have a lot of weeds on the bottom. Yeah, there's a fish right there. Yeah. We had wind coming from the south, but it kept shifting. And it made it really hard to fish in that weedy lake because there's weeds absolutely everywhere. So it was a lot of work, a lot of fatigue. I would have done better. See the bottom here. Clear. It gets weeds in it, but it would have been good for today. The wind would have still been a pain, but we would have managed. Well, we got a ride back, got about 2 hours and something. It was, we got a lot of highlights. It was a rough day, but we got a lot of highlights. Turkey was one of them. Here we go.